Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Hockman Fabrication and Speed. And today we have another 2026 Porsche 911 Targa. It's a 992.2. And we're going to be doing yet another Soul Performance exhaust system. The high flow cat pipe, the blow off valve, intercooler pipe. This Symposer essentially is a tube that runs into the cabin to try and add additional sound. We're gonna go ahead and document this process for you guys again, just like we did on the last one. As you can see, it is also the same color green, but it has a nice black interior with some yellow stitching, which I absolutely love. So, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get started because this customer drove all the way to us from Iowa, and we told him that we should be able to get this done in the same day since we did the last one in the same day, and we're gonna need all day to do that. So let's go. All right, and what's different about this particular system versus the one that you guys saw us do on the other video is this is the valved exhaust system from Soul Performance. You'll get a chance to see the difference between this one and how it still utilizes a muffler.
At both of them and went, yep, that's you. It's like, thanks, man.
I'm not recording until my truck's fixed.
That's how he said. Go ahead. All right, guys, back with the 992.2. Just starting now to put everything back together. We have our Soul Performance high flow cat in there. We also got the recirc delete / charge pipe. Basically allows the recirc valves to now vent to atmosphere. Gives you a little bit of turbo noise, as well as some better flow. In a little bit here, I will be fitting the high flow cat with the valve and being able to swap the valves from the factory exhaust to the new Soul kit. And we'll get you back here shortly with some more to see. Buttery smooth. Yeah.
That's pretty much it for today's video. We appreciate you guys tuning in. If you like this video, be sure to hit like. And if you want to see more in the future, feel free to subscribe to our channel. If you hit the notification bell, it'll let you know as soon as we post something new. Catch you in the next one.